Hello everyone. Today, I am excited to introduce you to a powerful digital solution designed to streamline risk management and compliance within your workflows. Our conflict check automation application. Developed by RPA Unicorn, this innovative solution leverages intelligent automation to eliminate tedious manual vetting, ensuring your organization can identify potential conflicts of interest rapidly, accurately, and seamlessly. Now let's understand step by step. We first need to look at the severe business challenges that organizations face day to day with traditional conflict checks. Right now, many teams operate with no centralized system to efficiently submit and track requests, making it incredibly difficult to monitor progress across multiple stakeholders. Instead, they rely heavily on chaotic manual coordination between requesters, coordinators, and billers. This fragmented approach inevitably leads to frequent delays due to missed or late responses, compounded by a complete lack of automated reminders or escalation paths. Consequently, there is a high risk of duplicate requests and incomplete information slipping through the cracks. Beyond the operational headaches, a major vulnerability is the lack of a clear audit trail and compliance visibility, which forces teams to expend excessive manual effort just to handle follow-ups and reporting. These bottlenecks are exactly what we are here to solve. We first need to look at the severe business challenges that organizations face day to day with traditional conflict checks. Right now, many teams operate with no centralized system to efficiently submit and track requests, making it incredibly difficult to monitor progress across multiple stakeholders. Instead, they rely heavily on chaotic manual coordination between requesters, coordinators, and billers. This fragmented approach inevitably leads to frequent delays due to missed or late responses, compounded by a complete lack of automated reminders or escalation paths. Consequently, there is a high risk of duplicate requests and incomplete information slipping through the cracks. Beyond the operational headaches, a major vulnerability is the lack of a clear audit trail and compliance visibility, which forces teams to expend excessive manual effort just to handle follow-ups and reporting. These bottlenecks are exactly what we are here to solve. Ultimately, implementing this conflict check automation solution delivers massive business value and measurable benefits across the board. First and foremost, you will experience faster conflict check processing and a drastic reduction in turnaround times. We have achieved a complete elimination of manual follow-ups and tedious email tracking, replacing those headaches with real-time visibility into request statuses and biller responses. Because the system handles data systematically, it ensures significantly improved accuracy and consistency in conflict evaluations, while built-in automated reminders and escalations actively drive higher response rates. From a compliance perspective, the platform provides centralized data storage with full audit tracking, protected by role-based access to guarantee data security and controlled visibility. Finally, because this is built as a scalable low-code solution, it remains highly adaptable to your evolving future business needs. Moving into the application itself, let's take a look at the conflict request list screen, which serves as the central hub for managing your workflows. When users log in, they are greeted with a comprehensive view of the conflict request list. To kick off a new check, clicking the New Request button seamlessly navigates the user to a dedicated form screen to add their data. For looking closer at existing items, simply clicking on the Eye Information icon takes you straight to the Request Details screen. We have also built in smart contextual action items depending on the request's lifecycle state. For instance, when a status is marked as submitted or error, a pen icon becomes visible to the coordinator or requester, respectively, allowing them to jump directly into an update form screen. Similarly, if a status changes to potential conflict or conflict, a dock icon appears for the requester, which quickly opens up a pop-up with more details. This interface keeps the entire process transparent, organized, and remarkably easy to navigate. Next, let's take a closer look at the request form screen, which is where the intake process officially begins. This is the interface where a requester can seamlessly add a new conflict check request by filling out the essential case details, including the opportunity name, line of business, end clients, and any relevant adverse parties or law firms. The fields are laid out clearly to ensure that all necessary validation information is collected right at the source. If a user changes their mind or needs to back out of the form, clicking the X icon in the upper right corner will instantly navigate them back to the primary conflict request list screen without saving. Once all the required details are populated, hitting the submit button at the bottom will securely launch the request into our automated pipeline. Once a request is in motion, we can drill down into the request details screen. This view allows users to comprehensively examine all the specific data points of an individual conflict check request, including the opportunity name, line of business, and the current in-process status. A key feature built into this interface is the copy icon located at the bottom right. This icon is visible only to the coordinator role. By clicking it, the user can instantly concatenate all relevant request details into a single string of text, making it incredibly simple to copy and paste the entire summary into an email, chat, or another internal system for lightning fast sharing and verification. Next, let's explore the update form screen, which acts as a primary tool for refining information and moving workflows forward when adjustments are needed. The applicant handles the screen dynamically based on who is accessing it and what the current lifecycle state is. Specifically, when a request status is set to submitted, the coordinator is navigated to this update form, giving them the authorization to modify and update the status directly via the drop-down field. On the other hand, if a request encounters an issue and the status is marked as error, the original requester is navigated here so they can update and correct the necessary details. However, to maintain strict process control, the status dropdown remains hidden from the requester in this specific scenario. This intelligent, role-based behavior ensures that data remains accurate and that changes are only made by the appropriate stakeholders. Finally, let's take a look at the report viewer screen, which provides the critical review interface for concluding our verification process. On this screen, an authorized user can carefully review all generated request details and compile data points for a specific case, such as opportunity names, service lines, and any associated parties. Once the evaluation is thoroughly completed and it is determined that no compliance issues exist, the user can officially finalize the workflow by clicking the prominent green No Conflict button located at the bottom right. This simple action instantly updates the system, marks the request as cleared, and ensures that your business operations can move forward safely and without delay. Now, let's take a look at the request list screen biller, which is specifically tailored for the biller's role workflow. On this interface, the system splits tracking into two distinct, easy-to-manage sections. The My Requests section, which explicitly displays conflict check requests that have been submitted directly by the biller, and the Awaiting Response section, which compiles all pending requests currently sitting in queue and actively waiting for a response. This clear division ensures billers can quickly prioritize their daily task list. Furthermore, navigating deeper into individual items is effortless. Whenever the biller clicks on the eye information icon next to an entry, the application automatically redirects them to the dedicated biller response screen to review the finer details or take action. This functional interface significantly cuts down on confusion, ensuring that billers always know exactly what needs their attention. Next, we have the biller response screen, which provides the interface that allows a biller to securely review and respond to a specific conflict check request. At the top, the biller can cross-reference all incoming request details, such as the opportunity name, line of business, and adverse parties. Below that is the biller response form, where they log their evaluation. Crucially, to maintain strict compliance and clarity, the system enforces business logic. Whenever potential conflict or conflict is selected from the conflict response dropdown, remarks are strictly required in the input field to explain the situation. Once the response is accurately documented, clicking the green Submit button pushes the data back into the automated system, seamlessly driving the workflow forward to its next phase. Now, let's take a look at the acknowledgement pop-up, which acts as a critical decision point for the requester to finalize a request based on biller feedback. Using this pop-up interface, the requester evaluates the case details and biller responses to make a final selection between no conflict or in conflict. The application applies distinct automated workflows depending on this choice. Selecting in conflict will immediately and automatically close out the request as blocked, whereas selecting no conflict moves the case forward by triggering an automated email notification that contains a direct link to review the comprehensive report. This smart functionality ensures that potential compliance issues are addressed immediately, while clear cases are advanced quickly without manual friction. The system relies on multiple integrated Power Automate flows that seamlessly manage the entire conflict check lifecycle. First, the conflict request flow kicks off the process upon submission, setting the initial status and alerting the coordinator. Next, the coordinator status approval change flow allows coordinators to review and update request statuses to keep the workflow moving smoothly under controlled oversight. Feedback is handled by the biller conflict response flow, which captures biller input and enforces mandatory remarks when a conflict is flagged. Finally, the conflict calculation flow automatically evaluates the request against existing database records and predefined rules to pinpoint potential conflicts and update the status. Together, these automated workflows ensure the entire process is fast, accurate, and completely hands-free. Continuing with our Power Automate Flows overview, we have three additional background processes that keep operations on track. First, the reminder biller flow automatically monitors pending requests and fires off automated reminders to billers, ensuring we get timely responses and eliminate bottlenecks. Once the feedback is in, the conflict summary flow takes over to consolidate all those individual responses, determine the final outcome of the request, and deliver a clean, comprehensive summary directly to the requester. Finally, underpinning our strict compliance framework is the response tracking flow, which meticulously maintains a detailed log of every action, status change, and user interaction. This guarantees total transparency, auditability, and regulatory compliance for every single check your firm performs. Let's tie the entire process together with this flowchart. The workflow begins when a requester submits a check, saving it to SharePoint and alerting coordinators. The coordinator filters out errors or duplicates, pushing valid requests to in-process to notify all billers. As billers respond, any flagged conflicts immediately alert the requester for acknowledgement, moving the status to in conflict. If there are no conflicts, the system calculates a response percentage, sending automated reminders if it's below threshold or moving it to for review once ready. Finally, the requester reviews the summary to make the final decision, marking it in conflict auto cancels pending steps, while selecting no conflict successfully closes out the workflow. On behalf of the entire team at RPA Unicorn, I want to say a huge thank you for your time, your focus, and your attention throughout this session.